Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Audi SQ5 3.0 BiTDI V6 Plus Tiptronic, which is a diesel automatic, and this vehicle is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your xenon headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 21-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the black exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a large amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the fine Napa black leather upholstery with a diamond stitch. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls and information panel buttons, and you also have your adaptive cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 73,432 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to, as well as your rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have your dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on Audi SQ5 3.0 BiTDI V6 Tiptronic, which is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.